I'm going to teach you how to save at least $80 by changing your ceiling fan yourself. This one is from the company Harbor Breeze, and it's a flush mount. That means that it's straight on the ceiling. Now, you want to make sure that there are a few things in place. The first thing is that you want to remove carefully your existing light fixture or your old fan, and that box over there on the ceiling has to be strong enough to hold all the weight of the ceiling fan. So, once you open that up, you want to make sure that it's nice and secure. And in this case, we have 4 wires. We have a red one, a black one, a white one, and the ground wire. This is the bracket that is going to hold your ceiling fan, and it has to be screwed with these strong screws that are here. And again, you want to make sure that the ceiling fan box is strong enough to hold that bracket. Now, the bracket itself has 4 screws, and you want to remove those 4 screws because that's what's going to hold the cover. Now, you can only take like 2 of them, but I took 4 of them. This is the motor, and it goes inside. It has 2 blades that go inside the bracket, and this is because the screws will go through the bracket itself into the motor blade, the motor support that is up there. It has a cushion, so you want to make sure that you don't remove that rubber cushion that is going to prevent from shaking and making noises. Now it's time to put the cover, and again, the 4 screws will go there, so you want to make sure that you know exactly which ones you can remove and not. But anyway, once that is done, you want to install your blades. You have a small hole where the blades are going to go, and you want to just put the screws really well. Don't use a screw gun because it's going to put too much pressure into the blades. You want to do it with a handheld screwdriver, right? Now you have 3 screws that are going to hold the hub of the cover where the light bulbs are going to go. So there are 3 screws, and you want to remove those 3 screws, and after that you want to connect the light fixture itself, the fixture itself. Now it has 2 wires, a black one and a white one, and they just kind of plug into each other. You'll see over there what happens, and after that you just put the screws. Now these are the supports for your glass covers, and you want to put the glass covers, and after that you go ahead and put the light bulbs. These 2 chains over here are marked. One is for the fan, one is for the light, and that's it. Now remember that throughout all this time your light switches were off, and you want to make sure that everything works properly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video can help you to do your own.